Well, nowadays most of the smartphone does not comes with a notification LED light. I know it's a very small thing, but it makes a huge difference in our everyday smartphone use. With that being said, in today's video I will show you how you can easily get a notification LED light in your Samsung device which has an AMOLED display. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and also the likes target for this video is 400 likes. I know you guys will do it. So hit that like button and let's get started. Guys, the first thing you will need to do is just go to Play Store and search this app called Notify Buddy. I will also leave a direct link for this app in this video description as well. It's a very new app and it is absolutely free in the Play Store. So just make sure you download and install this app in your device. Once you download it, just open the app and grant all the permission which is required by this app. Once you have done that, you will need to disable the always on display feature in your device, because you won't be able to use both these features together. So just go to settings and then to display. Here if you scroll down, you will have this always on display option. Just select it and disable the always on display. Now again open this app, and here you will have a list of all the applications that you have installed in your device. Just select any application for which you want a LED light. For example, if I want to have a notification light for my WhatsApp messages, I will simply enable it. And the best part of this app is that you can also customize the color of this LED light for each and every applications. If I want to have a green light for my WhatsApp messages, I can easily do it. Also, I will quickly enable this for my Gmail and my YouTube notifications as well. One more thing is that if you just tap on these three dots and go to settings, here you can customize the LED light blink interval and stop interval as well. Now let me show you how this LED light looks like when you receive a notification. As you can see, it is working perfectly, and I will highly recommend you to try this method out. Also, you will need to do one more thing guys. Just go to settings and search optimize battery usage. Just select all applications and then search for Notify Buddy and disable it. By doing all this, you will not have any issues using this application. So that's pretty much it guys. If you guys like the video, then be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more such content. I'm Mr. Android and I will catch you guys in the next one.